Hi, my subscribers and viewers. How are you today? I hope all is well. All right, blessing upon you all. All right, today I'm going to show you how I make a potato pudding. One of my subscribers asked me to make a potato pudding. All right, potato with cornmeal in it. All right, so I'm going to show her how I make it. Okay, so look and watch as I go. How is it going so far? I hope all is well. All right, so take a look at what all my ingredients I have here. As you can see, I have my potato here, 3 potatoes, my coconut, which I'm going to blend to make the coconut milk. I have no yam, no yellow yam. All right, so what I'm going to use some cassava and put in my pudding. This is my cornmeal, tip of salt, my vanilla, cinnamon leaves, my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, my sugar, my baking tin. Alright, so I'm going to peel my potato, so watch as I go. Alright, so I'm going to peel it like this and then I wash. Alright, potato pudding. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright. This is my coconut now to make my juice. So I'm going to blend my coconut, all right? And I'm going to blend the cassava also because they are frozen. They were frozen, so they are soft. So I'm going to have to blend them. They cannot grate. But while you're doing it, you have to grate it, all right? And this is my potato all washed and everything, all right? So watch as I go. So I'm going to grate it like this. Alright, you see? And after I'm going to run it in the blender also to make it softer. So watch as I make my potato and cornmeal pudding. And to my subscriber who asked me to do it, this is how I do it. Alright, sorry that you're that far, you cannot get a piece of my pudding. But watch as I go. Alright? So I'm going to grate it now. This is my grated potato. Okay. I'm going to blend my coconuts. Coconut, this is my cassava. Because they are frozen, I have to blend them. But you can grate them, all right? Because we have to store everything in the freezer, that's why. Alright, so watch as I go. Yes, my subscribers and viewers. Alright, so this is my cassava, okay, which I blend. Alright, so this is my potato, so I'm putting my cassava. You can use your yam, but I don't have a yam. Like yellow yam, you can use yellow yam, alright, to make your potato pudding. Alright, as you can see. So I'm not going to put all my ingredients at once, just a little. A little of flour. Over here I have some flour here. Alright, just a little of everything. Over here I have my cornmeal. She said she wants cornmeal in it, so I'm going to put some cornmeal. Alright, a little of everything. Have you ever tried a potato pudding before? Let me know. And let me know if I'm doing the right thing. Alright. And this is my cinnamon water. I boil it. My cinnamon leaves. So you can use the stick, also the leaves. Alright. Or the powder. So I boil my cinnamon leaves. Alright. Too much fluid. I cannot put too much water because I have my coconut milk here. This is my coconut milk. Alright. And this is my nutmeg. And this is my cinnamon powder and a little of salt. Alright. And this is my coconut milk. Alright. I'm not going to make too much, just a little. And also my vanilla. So watch the process, and you put whatever spice you want to put in it. Alright, you mix it out like this, and you can put some of your coconut trash in your pudding. I'm going to put some, but not much, just a little. I'm going to put some more. Cannot put all your stuff one time. You have to take time and put it a little bit more flour, and some more of the cassava. Alright, and if you don't have cassava, you use your regular yellow yam, a cocoa, or any kind of food you can just put in it. Alright, and also I have my sugar over here. Oh, and my baking powder. So I'm going to get those ready. Alright, so this is my baking soda. Powder rather. Alright. Oh, it's finished. Alright. And this is my sugar. And you put to your taste. Alright, so watch as I go. Alright, you can see. Okay. I'm going to put a little coconut trash in it, not much. Let me know how you make your potato pudding. Oh, well, this is potato and cornmeal pudding. Alright. And I have my 2 containers here. I'm going to put them in the oven. So watch as I proceed. So my pudding is all getting there. Alright, so watch as I go. I'm getting my baking tin heated. So just watch as I proceed. And to my subscriber who subscribe, potato and cornmeal pudding, big up to you. And to everyone that subscribe, blessing again, big up to you. Alright, just keep watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Alright, so watch as I go. Guys, I have a little rose water here, so I tip a little in it, right? So you can tip a little in it. I went to the store and get it, all right? So I'm going to grease my pan now. You see, you can use your margarine to do it like this, and I put a little there. All right. I'm going to do like this. So my oven is ready, so I'm going to put this in now. So watch as I go. Remember, you grease your container, right, like this, and then you can use this, but maybe, what does that mean there? Okay, I just do one. That's okay. One is okay. I'm going to store this in the refrigerator. Guess one is all right, so look at that. So I'm just going to do one container, and I'm going to put the rest in there, and I'm going to freeze it for another time because this is too much. All right, thank you for watching. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Can you see my oven? That I need a bulb for my oven, so I have to get one. All right, so watch as I go. Okay, thanks for watching. And guys, it will take like an hour to bake. All right, so watch as I go. So I put it at 450 degrees, and then when it started to bake, I can put it up to 200 or 250. All right, so you can watch as I go, guys. So my viewers and my subscribers and my friends and my families, this is my caramel potato pudding. All right, so you can just try it. You see, that's all right. All right, okay, so that's it. So enjoy my videos. This is what I can do to my pudding. All right, so if you have other ways of making your pudding, that's fine and that's okay. All right, so you take care, and I will continue to watch my videos. All right, so you can try your caramel or your potato or yellow yam, any one of the food you can put in there, but this is my final product. All right, thanks a lot. And for the lady that asked me to make it, to let her see, this is it, ma'am. God bless you, and you take care. All right.